Hey everyone, it's Sean from our Bronco Life, and today we are installing another exciting product from LED Factory Mart. Now every Bronco has a different grill, and we have the Outer Banks one, and what we're going to install is grill inserts and grill marker lights. So join us while we install it today. Now unboxing the grill lights has nice detailed instructions. You got 3 grill inserts for the bottom, 3 for the top that have the headlights, all the wiring that is included to install it, even some extra electrical tape to tighten up all of the wiring for you. Now it's time to install our grill inserts. I'm going to start with the bottom ones first that don't have the lights in them. They're simply labeled with an up area for the top portion of the items, and you can just snap them in. So what I'll do is put the top part of the grill inserts in first, and then I'll snap the lower part in. So we're going to install these bottom 3 ones first. As you can see, it says the word up on the insert, so you can see what side goes up. Now that we got the bottom 3 installed, it's time to run the wiring for the top ones. Now I'm going to install these grill lights and inserts without removing my grill. Now you can choose to remove your grill if you want to as well. It might be a little bit easier. But since I've done some grill work before, I feel confident that I can install these with the grill in place. Now first, I'm going to remove the air dam up here on top of the grill by removing these push pins. Got 4 in the front, then we got 5 in the back as well. Going to remove those so it's easier to access the back of the grill while it's in place. Now that I have those removed, it is easier for me to access behind the grill. As you can see, there's some additional wiring that I already have from previous accessories. So I already have a nice path that is going to run to my battery. So as you can see, the large openings for our Outer Banks grill, they are pretty accessible to reach from behind without having to remove the grill. So starting on the driver's side, the first insert, I've pulled it from the back side, the first insert, and then I'm running it behind the second insert in the middle, and then all the way on the passenger side, hooking that up as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck the cords up behind the grill there. I have some nice double stick tape that was actually included, and I'm going to make it nice and secure behind the grill. And when you put the grill inserts in, it'll hide it pretty well as well. So got all 3 connected, and you can see the wire here that is on the driver's side, and now I'm just going to pop them in place. Same thing, you'll notice that it does say up, but you simply just snap them in place on your grill. And now I'm going to clean up the wiring. So I'm going to utilize our pre-existing wiring that I have from previous accessories, just kind of piggyback on that. I taped it up there, makes it nice and neat. Now I'm going to head over to the fuse box. I got this great diagram to see where all the fuses are on the inside of my fuse box. If you don't have something like that, you can always use the digital owner's manual that is built into your screen. But we're going to go to this fuse over here. I believe it's number 25. And then with the adapter cord that has a built-in additional fuses, just replace it and put that into there, nice and secure. And all this additional wiring I'm going to clean up. And I want to test it first before I clean everything up, and it looks like they are working good. Now these look amazing at night. I love the accents to the grill that these add to it, not only during the daylight but at night as well. Really cool, sleek design to add to our grill. Another awesome new addition from LED Factory Mart we added to our Bronco. Let us know what you think, and we will leave a link to the product in the description below. Thanks for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time.